This video is intended to show you how to set up a Microsoft Word document for a research paper using MLA guidelines. I'm using Word 2007, so it may appear a little different than yours, but all of the functions are still the same. The first thing that you're going to want to do is set up 1-inch margins around the document. You do this under Page Layout. You want to make sure that the top, bottom, left, and right are all 1 inch. The next thing that you want to do is you want to insert page numbers. You find that under Insert. Page numbers are found to the top of the document, and they are found on the right of the document. The one thing you need to do is add your last name to this and a space. Once you're done, you can just click in the document below the dotted line, and the page number will automatically appear. The next thing you want to do is you want to focus on your font. Your font has to be a reasonable font, and it needs to be 12 points. Some computers are set to different fonts, so you want to make sure that you choose one that is reasonable. Times New Roman is usually the one that is used, although fonts like Century Gothic, Comic Sans, even this Consolas could be appropriate. I'm going to choose Times New Roman, and then you want to make sure that you select a 12-point font, because that is what is required. The next thing that you want to do before you start typing is to set your paragraph spacing. The easiest way to do this is to right-click in the middle of the document. You want to go to Paragraph. The spacing, you want to make sure that before and after spacing are set to 0 points, and then your line spacing automatically goes to double. Click OK. The last thing you're going to want to do is to set up your heading. The heading is extremely specific. The first thing that you're going to type is your name. I'm going to use a fictitious name. Enter. Then you're going to write your teacher's name. We'll use mine. Then you're going to write the name of the course. And then lastly is the date. Now the date is going to be very interesting because you're going to put it in the format of day, month, and then year. Notice you do not need commas when you do this. You'll click Enter, and now at this point in time you're going to center your title. You should probably use your topic for your titles. So I'm just going to use cell phones in the classroom. You click Enter. You want to make sure you justify the margins again to the left. Tab in, and then you can begin typing your speech.